right, guys, we're here on a Monday, and what has changed for me with My Legion Secrets? I'm excited to announce some things with My Legion Secrets and how I'm moving forward. So, if you guys have been following me in my journey, how my progress, the case study, what's the strategy, and so on and so forth, then I'm excited to share this information with you. We are going to be doing a My Legion Secret review. Let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, welcome to another video. And first and foremost, I want to welcome all of you guys back to the channel if you're here for the first time. And if you're here already, sorry, not if you're here for the first time, if you're coming back, but if you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you as well to the channel, because My Legion Secret has been the bread and butter for me in terms of building my email list, in terms of having a solid, consistent cash flow coming. It is the catalyst for my funded proposal that generates me a lot of leads every single month because of the strategy. So it's something that I'm very passionate about. I'm happy to share that in my journey, I have decided to make this step. And I would like you guys to have the same mentality, or rather logic behind getting started. You don't need to have 5 accounts, 10 accounts, 3 accounts, 2 accounts. You can make that decision obviously on your income level, but I want you guys to consider the logic behind how do you use your leads. Just ask yourself this question: how do you use your leads? Am I leveraging in the best way? And do I have the patience to do this for the long term? So if you're interested in working with me personally, the links are all and resources are going to be in the description, but this video is supposed to bring you an education and awareness more than anything else. Okay, so I cannot guarantee you any results. What I can guarantee you is that you will learn something from this video that is actionable and you can take and go with you. Guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I've been here, been doing this for some time. I want to bring more awareness about this topic to everybody else, and affiliate marketing is my passion. It's something I do on the side. I do have a full-time job, but I love it, and this is the strategy that I follow. Basically, use My Legion Secrets. I send it to an offer that generates me a sale. Once I make a sale, I take that funded proposal, I take that cash flow, and I use paid advertising. The reason why I personally use paid traffic or paid advertising to be able to build my email list with everything else and then leverage on the back end email marketing is because I don't want to spend too much time making videos and everything else. Yes, I do. Okay, stop this and just understand. Yes, I do make videos, but I do it for awareness. I don't do it for sales. So any results that you see on this channel, specifically for myself, is based on what I'm actually practicing, not the free stuff. Okay, so I'm not sharing with you how many affiliates I've got using free marketing on My Legion Secrets or other kind of things. No, I'm sharing with you how I implement the strategy that you can see right here and how you can do the same. There's an entire playlist that I have in the description of this video where you can get multiple trainings on how to add your signature with My Legion Secret, use the mailing system properly. In fact, let me just log in. So you know how basically you can use this entire mailing system. I have currently, if you guys want to see, I have currently over, oh, it doesn't show right here. Let me go look here. Yeah, I have about 10, no, 100, and sorry, that's a lot. Yeah, so that's 10,000. Is it 10? How much is this? 108. Yeah, it's 108,000. So 108,000 leads at the moment, 8,500 leads, which is not a bad amount to have, right? So this is all since last year of 2023 actually. So it's been a year and a half that I've been using My Legion Secret. And what I want to show you, if I go to statistics, sorry, not statistics, right here, I've got affiliates right here, and I just show you my downline. You'll see that I personally joined myself recently. So I just opened a new account with My Legion Secret, and I wanted to show you guys that. The reason being is I wanted to have two accounts. So I started off with one account. I mailed every single day. I still mail every single day. I make mistakes as well. You can see that today, for example, I made a mistake and I sent the same email subject that I sent yesterday. So I'm not sure if it's gonna, people are not gonna open or they get annoyed, but you make those mistakes along the way. But I've got a really good conversion rate as a whole. It's helped me make around 500 to $500 basically every single month with this strategy, sometimes a little less. Again, those are my results. I cannot guarantee you those results, but overall it has been working for me. Now, what has changed with My Legion Secret? My Legion Secret so I've been using My Legion Secret with Warrior Plus. So in case you're doubting if it converts or something like that, it does. Okay, it does. I've been getting consistent sales for the entire year of 2023, actually, since I've joined, and I'm going to show you guys this so that it's crystal clear. Again, these are my results alone. It doesn't mean that you can generate the same, but I'm going to go to all time on Warrior Plus and just put my agent secret here. And you'll see that overall I made $5,000 in commissions just using my Legion secrets itself. Okay, so this traffic source does work. If it didn't work for the last year and a half of making of me generating these commissions, you would not see these commissions. It's not like I've got refunded from this. As you can see, they've all paid commissions. This is income that I have received. Now, on a monthly basis, just to give you guys an understanding, if I look at last month or if I look at the month of July, okay, let's just look at the month of July. And we go to July, and I would go, you can see that basically if I go to my Legion secrets also, you'll see that my Legion secret, I made 32 sales in the month of July, right? So 32 sales in the month of July, but these are one-time payments for these 32 sales. Now, some of them are small ticket sales, some of them are high ticket sales, whatever. They're one-time payments. So what I decided is that I wanted to leverage both majority big, you know, um, yeah, big affiliate networks. So one is Warrior Plus, and I'm getting consistency with Warrior Plus. I'm not going to stop this. I'm going to follow this exact strategy. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. However, I'm also going to be using my Legion secret with ClickBank. Okay, so how do you do affiliate marketing with my Legion secret on ClickBank? Okay, on ClickBank, and I will be using it for ClickBank to create a recurring income on ClickBank first and foremost, and I will also be using that second account which I've created for the other affiliate offers that I have. Now, just to give you guys an explanation, I use a tool called System.io. Okay, as an example, I use a tool called System.io to build my entire sales processes, my entire sales funnel. This whole second step of the strategy is built with System.io. System.io has, I'm going to go show you actually. So System.io has pricing plans, right? So you can start for free, but you can also get the pricing plans. Now, I have, for example, a page that is just for this one right here. Okay, so let's say I want to get started for the $27 per month plan, right? If I want to get started with $27 per month plan, it is possible. Now, this $27 per month plan, I have a specific link that goes to that $27 per month plan. So my aim, for example, would be to start to talk about this tool also there. So now I get 60% of the commissions, which is basically 16.2. So in a month, let's say from my Legion secret, if I make 16.2 and let's reduce that 32 and just say that I make 10 sales or 15 sales, okay? 15 sales. That would be an extra $250, $243, sorry, per month that I would be earning just from the tool itself, right? And this is, remember, this is a recurring offer. So if I do this every single month, or even if I make 5 sales for that matter, if I make 5 sales for that matter, it's 81. Okay, so I want to make sure that I'm starting to build now recurring income in my tools and ClickBank. Why tools? Because these tools are things that pay me any which way. So if I'm spending, I'm using the paid plan for System.io. If I'm spending $27, I want to make at least $27 every single month. So my costs are covered. So I'm going to use my Legion secret to double that, because my Legion secret will cost $27. Sorry, $30. I will make $27 from also on System.io, and things just accumulate over time. So that's something that I'm going to be using, multiple recurring offers, and ClickBank. So the second is purely ClickBank plus others, okay, and only specifically recurring offers. This way I have a consistent sales machine that's working for me on two fronts. I'm not doing it like most of the marketers that you find on YouTube will say, open 2 accounts, open 3 accounts as you wish, and then everything goes to this one link. Yes, you can do that, and that does make sense because you're focusing all your energy onto one specific promotion, and you're getting the highest conversions for that specific promotion. So it can work, and it does work, and it's a good thing. But me personally, I don't do what everybody's doing. When somebody zigs, I zag sometimes. It's just how it is. But I'm using the same fundamentals. This is important, okay? Because we try to do different things, but if you're not using the same fundamentals, then this has a big impact on the conversion rate for my Legion secret. So what are the fundamentals? First and foremost, the fundamentals are the co-registration leads. All these 100 to 200 leads that you're getting every single day with my Legion secret, they are co-registration leads in the biz op or make money online niche. What this means is that if you have only business opportunities or make money online software services, then that makes sense to share or with My Legion Secrets. So having a system.io makes sense to share. Having another offer on ClickBank with a recurring element makes sense to share. I'm using a different method, but I'm using the same fundamental. Okay, that is the key element. And then obviously have a strong email marketing voice, style, and I'm definitely going to duplicate already what is working for me on my other account, and I'm going to show you guys on this next account. So this is the progression for me. Remember, I went a year and a half. I started in March 2023. We are in September 2024, guys. So it's been over a year that I've been using My Legion Secret, and I've been using only with one account, making $500 pretty much every single month, $400 to $500 every single month. And that's all with one account. Why? Because my focus is not overwhelming myself. Remember, I don't want to put more work on my plate. I want to leverage these tools for the long term. The aim is still the strategy. Build a funded proposal and then use that cash flow to be able to build your email list successfully with longevity in mind. Okay, successfully and with longevity in mind. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. It's things are going in the right direction. If you guys want to open 2 accounts, if you want to start My Legion Secrets, then the link is below. If you want to get the entire strategy that I am talking about right here, you can find that as well in the description of this video. But mostly, guys, if you've got value, if you've learned something from this video, if you relate to me in any way, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, because I post 3 times a week and all of my videos are about awareness and educating you guys. So I'm not focused on anything else. I'm focused on you. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, and I'll see you on Wednesday.